Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Microsoft Store unable to download anything and it's stuck on downloading. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type WSRESET. Comes up run command, click on open it. This will open up a Microsoft Store and clean up the cache. After finishing this, you just need to close it off here. And now go to search menu and type Windows Update. Comes up Windows Update settings, click on open it. Select check for updates. If any available updates are here, you just need to update it guys. After updating it, you just need to close it off here. And now you just need to open up File Explorer. On left side, you just need to select this PC. Now you just need to make sure the C drive has 10 to 15 GB free space over here. If your C drive is full, then let's remove the junk and cache files. To do this, you just need to close it off here and go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. Select the C drive over here and select OK. And now you just need to make sure everything is checked over here. After doing it, select OK. And now select delete files. And now this will cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine guys, so kindly please wait. After finishing this, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator, and you just need to select yes. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to type sfc space /SCANNOW, press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100%. So kindly please wait until this 100% done. After finishing this, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.